ubuthongo abusehli inyembezi usizi nobuhlungu zempilo esazalelwa kuyo inhlupheko iqina zenhliziyo ubuhlungu busekujuleni komphefumulo singalahli ithemba masikholwe yebo ngelinye ilanga kuzodlula bekezela kuzolunga 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 bekezela kuzolunga. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Hape on Spoken Word.
That fateful moment when you realize that someone you know very well has very soon become someone that you once knew. One of those saddened days when the only place you knew as home has been ripped from you. How dare you ask me if I still love you, yet your mind utters false ambitions, rendering no embrace. How dare you ask me if I still care, yet your bone of contention houses countless misconceptions of used to be's. Brave you were to tell me you had found another. From my conditional trimmer, hungrily bled for your pleasure. Seems quite unfair. Nobody warned me of the after effects of loneliness and regret, having consumed the drug of translucency. Although what I thought, how pathetic, you foolish and naive little girl. I might not meant to be feeling this way, but to long for the past goes just the same. Knock, once, knock, knock, twice, and the walls just my fall crushing. I will never shout at the top of my voice, singing anthems and anthems of praise, for my eyes have been thoroughly cleansed and my sins counted through Christ already crucified. Call me insane, perhaps unusual, heck, even unproportional, but my heart starves for emotions yearned, those felt but never endured, of somehow missing someone I've never met nor spoken to, nor ever engaged with. Someone earthly, for I'm waltzing around in circles, although having a changed facade each time round. You thought your name had been engraved upon my breasts, were you so tirelessly low? Though our love that so cancerously spread, rusted by floods of pain and erased, I said, you thought your name had been engraved upon my breasts, were you so tirelessly lay? Though our love that so cancerously spread, rusted by floods of pain and erased. Oh, up and down, forwards and backwards we needlessly journeyed. Little did we know what love spelt backwards carelessly denoted. There is no place on earth man has not trampled upon, for my heart has served as a canvas being tread upon, for my bare soul has disguised the sand been stumped upon, putting all to halt for the sake of being foreseen. What I feel is obligation, never sparse of grief nor sorrow. All that I embody is attrition, but most of all affliction for the dead being that so lively abides in me, or how she tries to be yours, but God knows she's not. Sure, we take the strolls along the valleys of disbelief and must have beens, but she's just not the yours, she will never be. Your whispers are hard to forget, considering how momentously they had come at a time that she needed salvation the most, or how she tries to be the yours, but God knows she will never be. Nkarime, ditseleki, ukuthulela sifuba ngitsho, wana masisa mina. Khale maikutlo ke ferohadile ke hona ha. Sentetse ke tla o thunthetsa ka lerwele la kgalefo sethe. Sentetse ke tla o hlokisa botsitso jwalo ka setsukutsane seruwe. Sentetse ke bata jwalo ka serame sa leqhwang ka o tjhesa. Fadimeha pelo ya ka e hlehlane. Ke qhitsa sekgutsing ke mo hopolo ho nahana le ho sitwa ripitla. Empa bophelong ha o qalwe hodimo. Ha se lebitla nthwena.
Bekezela kuzolunga, 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 bekezela kuzolunga.